Hello everyone, I'm Sidhvita, a member of Krino Forensics. In this video, we are going to explore a very crucial topic in medical legal investigations, inquest. Whether you are a student, forensic enthusiast, or someone preparing for competitive exams, this session will provide you with a clear understanding of what is an inquest is, why it is conducted, and how it's carried out in different systems around the world. So let's get started. The word inquest is derived from a Latin word quaesitus, which means to seek. In legal and forensic terms, an inquest is preliminary investigation into the cause, manner, and circumstances of any unnatural, sudden, or suspicious death. This could include cases of suicide, homicide, infanticide, accidental deaths, poisoning, or even deaths during medical procedures. In fact, even custodial deaths, dowry related deaths, and deaths in mental hospitals are examined through inquest. Types of inquest. Globally, there are four types of inquest systems: police inquest, magistrate inquest, coroner's inquest, medical examiner system. But in India, only first two are practiced: the police inquest and the magistrate inquest. So let's learn them one by one. Police inquest. A police inquest is conducted under Section 174 of BNSS. It is usually led by police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector. When the police receive information about a suspicious or sudden death, the investigating officer visits the scene, gathers the witnesses called panchas, and the documents the findings in a report called panchnama. This includes observations about the body, the scene, visible injuries, and the suspected cause of death. The signed panchnama is then sent along with the body for post-mortem examination. If there is no suspicion of foul play, the body is handed over to the family for final rites. But if the death appears suspicious, further action including autopsy, legal steps is initiated. Magistrate inquest. Magistrate inquests are governed by Section 196 of BNSS. These are conducted by executive magistrates such as district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate. Magistrate inquests are mandatory in serious and sensitive cases like death in police custody or jail, death due to police firing, dowry deaths, death during medical procedures, or in mental institutions. These inquests carry more authority and help ensure impartiality, especially in cases involving allegations against public authorities. Coroner's inquest. The coroner's inquest was once practiced under Coroner's Act of 1871 in cities like Mumbai and Kolkata. A coroner, he would be a doctor or lawyer or both, would examine unnatural deaths and conduct inquiries in a judicial capacity. However, this system was officially abolished in India in 1999 and is no longer in practice. It played a significant role in forensic history by acting as a legal investigator and even issuing warrants based on findings. Now, coming to the medical examiner system, which is followed in many parts of the United States. This is considered the most significantly sound and efficient method. Here, the inquest is carried out by a medical examiner, usually a qualified forensic pathologist. They are responsible for determining the cause of and the manner of the death using medical expertise and can also initiate autopsies independently. Unfortunately, this system is not yet adopted in India, but it remains gold standard in forensic investigations globally. Why is inquest important? You might wonder, what is the purpose of all this? An inquest serves several key functions, like to identify the deceased, to determine how, when, and why the person died, to rule out foul play, to preserve evidence for further legal action, and most importantly, to build public trust and transparency in justice delivery. In cases like custodial deaths, dowry related deaths, or suspicious medical deaths, an inquest can be first and most important step towards justice. To sum up, inquest is not just a routine legal procedure, it's a powerful tool to uncover the truth, detect crimes, and ensure accountability. I hope you enjoy the session. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you want us to explain any forensic topic in future videos. We would be happy to cover them. And the presentation document will be shared on our social media platforms. You can directly access the document from there. For more information or queries, you can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Stay tuned for next video to learn with Krino Forensics. Thank you.